how to update phone number on Ring application. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can update your phone number on your Ring application. For that, you'll have to open your Ring application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to the home page of your Ring application, here at the left top, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to access more menu. Within the menu, you will find Control Center. Click on Control Center and you will be taken to this page. Here click on account verification and under this 2-step verification you will find update mobile number option. Click on it. You will be taken to this page. Here click on continue. Here first you will have to verify your identity. So in this box enter your password. After entering your password here, click on continue button. Now you can update your phone number. Here you can enter your new number now. After entering your new number, click on this continue button below. A verification code will be sent to your number. Wait for the code and once you get it, enter it in this box. After entering the code in this box, click on verify code and there you go. You have successfully updated your phone number on Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.